Yes, hi children. We've been discussing with you about reported speech. In the previous video clips, I discussed with you changing assertive sentence into reported speech, then after interrogative sentence, then after imperative sentence. But in this video, I would like to highlight how to change exclamatory sentence into reported speech. Let us see an example. I think you know about exclamation. You know about exclamatory sentence. See this. What a pity. What a pity. This is an exclamation. Oh, what a pity. What a beautiful bird it is. What a beautiful bird it is. What a beautiful bird it is. So if there is such type of exclamation, we treat them as exclamatory sentences. If such type of questions are asked in the board exam, so what to do? See this one. Ranga said to me, how cold it is. How cold it is. Put exclamation mark here. So will you do it? First I told you find out the RV. What is the RV? Yes, it is said. What to do it? Change it into. Yes, change it into. Yes, you have to add one word like exclaimed with or cried with. Exclaimed with or cried with. Exclaimed with joy, or cried with sorrow, or pain, exclaimed with surprise or wonder. Only the intention is to give this sense. For that reason we have to take this RV. So here I feel how cold it is. It is a surprise for that boy Ranga. Yes, if I change it into indirect speech, it will be. Will you try it? Yes, come on. Ranga exclaimed. Ranga exclaimed with surprise. Yes, here very important thing. Now you have to change the form of the statement. It is exclamatory sentence. How cold it is. You have to change it into assertive form as you did in the previous class, that is changing the interrogative into assertive. The same here you have to do, change the word order. How cold it is. Yes, it will become it is very cold. It is very cold. Remove how or the what. Ranga exclaimed with surprise. It change the V1 form, change it into V2. It is the V2 form of is, was. It was very cold. Over. Take one more example. This one. What a beautiful bird it is. What a beautiful bird it is. I will write here. Soumya said to me, what a beautiful bird it is. Yeah. Now change it. Ramya exclaimed with, it is not a sorrow, it's not a pain. Ramya exclaimed with joy. Yes, I forgot to tell you here that insert the linker. Ranga exclaimed with surprise that. See, in yes or no questions we used if. In assertives we used that. In WH questions we used WH word itself as a linker, but in exclamatory again we have to take the use of that as a linker. Ramya exclaimed with joy that. Yes, now change the form of the statement. What a beautiful bird it is. Change it into assertive. What a beautiful bird it is. Yes, leave this WH word what. What remains? A beautiful bird it is. Yes, take this object here. It is a very beautiful bird. Ramya exclaimed with joy that it is. This is V1 form. It becomes was. It was a very beautiful bird. Yes, children, have you understood? Yes, I think once again I will repeat the rules whatever I have used here. First, find out the statement whether it is exclamatory or not. If it is exclamatory, then leave the exclamation words like how, what, or woe, alas. This type words, leave the words from that statement and change the exclamatory into assertive form and change the tense form. If it is necessary, change the personal pronouns also. Thank you, children.